Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and Merry Christmas Day to everybody. Happy Christmas, as they would say in Europe, or is that just in Harry Potter? And today we have the week deal. This is the week, this is the deal after the weekend deal. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and hyping. And let's jump in. But first, let's just reminder, weekend deal hasn't been officially announced, but it should be officially announced today. We'll have starting the 26th, starting tomorrow. So we should be seeing official notice tonight. 30% off all items, $10 and under limit 5, December 26th to the 28th. And then 30% off all items, $20 and under limit 5 for ITC, December 26th and 28th. And I'll try to put a link to that video right here if you missed it. But great options for the 30% off items, $20 and under, $10 and under if you're not ITC. So that's the weekend deal. Should start tonight. And then starting Monday, the 29th, is our free gift week. Well, free gift 3 days leading up to New Year's. So I think that's what they're doing. It kind of feels like a weekend, but leading up to New Year's through New Year's Eve, free gift with any $34.99 purchase. Super coupon. Choose one of these 3 items: the SAE Metric Star, folding hex key set 3-piece, the 30 caliber ammo box for free, or the titanium step drill bit, which according to the forums, people love the titanium drill bit set, and we'll take a little bit of a deep dive. 2-piece, up to $19 value. So this is limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store and while supplies last, of course. And that's a big one because for what it seems, a lot of the supplies are not lasting. But I feel like these 3, there shouldn't be an issue. Again, could be wrong. Valid 12/29/25 through 12/31/25. Receive one free gift from the following items. And those are the stock codes. Minimum purchase $35, excluding taxes, and after applying any applicable offers or discounts. So with the free gift, offers can be stacked. I mean, it's not really a stack. They just want you to get to that threshold of the $35. So if you're in there those days and you get there, make sure you get your free gift. But then again, they seem to renege on that. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases, but it counts after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. So in the past, you can use ITC deals, you can use super coupons, and as long as you get to that $35 threshold, you'll be eligible for your free gift. Excludes ITC memberships, extended service plans, open boxes, gift cards. Coupon required for non-members. ITC members receive discount at the register. Other restrictions may apply. So pretty straightforward. But then, of course, as it mentioned there, for ITC, free gift with any purchase, double asterisk, choose one of these 3 items. Same 3 items, same time and date, 29th through 31st. Now, it does say limit 1 usage per customer per day, but really that just depends how many stores are near you, your relationship with the cashier, and how friendly you are. No coupon required for ITC. Discount gets applied at the register, and you receive one of the 3 free gifts. No cash value, non-transferable. Same old. So free gift after this weekend. Free gift leading into the new year. So let's look at the free gifts. So we have the Bunker Hill Security 30 caliber ammo box, $6 compared to Plano, where you say 50%. Sturdy ammo box, dry, protects ammunition, electronics, and more. Didn't know it protected and more. Water resistant, tongue and groove lid, which I guess makes sense. You want your ammo to stay dry. It protects ammunition, camera equipment, personal electronics, dent proof because it's made from heavy gauge polypropylene, rust proof storage, resists moisture, latches securely, and can be locked shut for safety. Holds 6 to 8 ammo boxes. Corrosion resistant, bail latch, pre-drilled for padlock, heavy gauge polypropylene construction. That is awesome. I don't think I've ever looked into these ammo cans before, but Bunker Hill, $6 value. That is the first option. Seems pretty solid. Who's getting their ammo boxes? That is interesting. I didn't know you could use it for something outside of ammo. Then we have the Pittsburgh SAE Metric folding star folding hex key set 3-piece, $7 value compared to Husky at $15. And if you don't have one of these, I think I have a Craftsman one that's been busted, and somehow these certain ones have gotten lost. This is SAE, metric, and star options. So you're getting a little bit of everything with this 3-piece set. $7 value, 3 color coded folding hex key wrenches sets that will with the most commonly used sizes. Compact, chrome vanadium steel, black oxide finish, resists rust, compactly fits in your pocket. Chrome vanadium steel, rubberized comfort grip, and color-coded handles for easy identification. Excellent. $7 value from Pittsburgh. And actually, lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty. The tool is guaranteed to be free from defects in material workmanship for the life of the product. For free. Crazy. And then we have the Warrior. 3/16 inch to 1/3, 1 3/8 inch, number 4 titanium step drill bit, 12 steps, and number 5, 11 steps. $19 compared to DeWalt at $88. What? I just don't believe it. Well, this comes with 3 pieces. So that's a little bit misleading. It comes with 3 pieces, but this is titanium impact ready at $110. So roughly, what is that? 33, Jesus, almost 40, a little bit less, like $38 per piece. And again, it's DeWalt. Anybody who's used these? Super interesting. Well, that's what it compares to. But we have good old Harbor Freight Warrior. $19 value. This is a great deal for free. Who's picking up the titanium steel step bits? Drill holes, which we like to do. 21 different sizes with these steel drill bits. High speed titanium, runs cool, automatically deburrs holes as you drill with the 2-flute design, provides faster, smoother cutting, whether drilling in plastic, metal, wood. These drill bits cut great every time. Titanium, high speed for longer life, automatically deburrs holes, 2-flute design gives you faster, smoother cutting, flat-sided round shank, fits most drills, includes 3/16 to 1 3/8 inch. Those are 2-step drill bits, application steel, copper, brass, aluminum, or plastic. 100% satisfaction guarantee. I haven't seen that as I look through the warranty. For any reason you're not satisfied with this item, you may return it within 90 days for a full refund or replacement. That is for any reason you're not satisfied with this item. For any reason. I don't think I've seen that as a warranty information. 100% satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied, you may return it within 90 days for a full refund or replacement. That seems nuts. And a $19 value. And those are the 3 free gifts. I'm assuming everyone's going to want the titanium steel drill bits, especially, well, it's going to be going on for 3 days. So you'll have a chance to get all of them. If you have multiple stores, you'll have a chance to get maybe multiple of some of them. They all seem pretty great. Some storage, lifetime guarantee on the hex key sets, and then 100% satisfaction guarantee on the titanium drill bits. Anyways, that seems nuts. Free gift, should be starting Monday. Let me know what the Harbros think. Which one or which ones you want to get the most, or which ones are you passing on? And I will leave it at that. Merry Christmas, Harbros. I hope you're having a great time and a great day. Quick sneak peek at the New Year's deal. If you stayed this far, 15% off any single item, 4 days only, January 1st to the 4th. Don't know if there's going to be an ITC equivalent, maybe 20% off. Here's the 15% off any single item, but we'll go through it as we get a little bit closer. Happy Harbor Freighting. Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing. Let's set a new goal for the new year. Maybe we can get to 40,000. I don't know what. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your